Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Have you ever bought too many eggs and worried they might go bad? Well, don't worry. Today, I'm going to show you how to freeze eggs the right way so you can save money, reduce waste, and always have eggs on hand when you need them. Let's get started. Freezing eggs has so many benefits. First, it saves money when eggs are on sale. Second, it ensures you never run out when baking or cooking. And third, it saves fridge space. Plus, they taste just as good after thawing. To freeze eggs, start by lightly scrambling them with a fork. Don't incorporate too much air, just mix the yolks and whites together. Next, add either salt or sugar. This step is super important because egg yolks thicken when frozen. Add 1 teaspoon of salt per cup of eggs for savory dishes or 1 teaspoon of sugar per cup for baking. Now, pour the eggs into an ice cube tray or muffin tin. Cover and freeze for 4 to 6 hours until solid. Once frozen, transfer the egg cubes into a freezer-safe bag. Be sure to label it with the date and whether you added salt or sugar. Eggs can stay good in the freezer for up to a year. When you're ready to use your frozen eggs, thaw them overnight in the fridge or in a covered dish, placed in cold water. Once thawed, use them immediately in your favorite recipes. Can you freeze hard-boiled eggs? Nope. Freezing whole hard-boiled eggs makes the whites rubbery. However, you can freeze just the yolks for garnishes or toppings. Simply boil them, let them sit for 12 minutes, and store in a freezer-safe container. Can you freeze eggs in the shell? No. Freezing eggs in the shell can cause them to crack. If they don't crack, the texture won't be great after thawing. So, it's best to use one of the other methods instead. Quick tips. Always freeze eggs in the portion sizes you'll use. If eggs stick in the tray, warm the bottom slightly. And don't forget to label your bags with the date. Let's explore recipes to try with frozen eggs. Looking for ways to use frozen eggs? Try them in muffins, French toast casserole, banana cake, or German pancakes. So, can you freeze eggs? Absolutely. Now that you know how, you'll never waste another egg again. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more home hacks. See you next time.